Hey there, YouTubers. This is the Harbor Freight 1x30 belt sander. The instructions really don't make it clear as to the proper usage of this idler pulley. From what I understand, I lost my instructions, but my buddy says that you take the belts on and off by, the instructions say, by turning the alignment knob. Well, that's not proper. This design, I find it is spring loaded. If you back off on this nylock, just so it keeps this idler pulley free, it has a spring tension, and no matter what the expansion or contraction of your belt will be properly tensioned as you sand. So back off on this guy, just so it's free. Do not retighten it. I think they tighten it for shipping purposes. But you just take your pulley, or your belt, stick it on there, pull your guy forward, and you're good to go. Take her off, forward. Oop. Take another one. Stick her on, pull forward, bango. Hope it helps you out. Certainly helped me out. It's easy sleazy.